is part 2 of making this island for our washers out there. And you can see here's some of our handiwork. We got that busted out. But today what I need to do is I need to run a drain line right there for our condensation. While I'm here, I'm going to tie it into the sewer pipe. It's already exposed. I might as well do that instead of having these pipes in the way. The second thing in here, there's Willie, is underneath this we have to pop a hole under this island for the tubes to run through under the floor here and back to our other islands. Water pipe. This one might be live. No, I got it, man. Here. Bug's ready to go? Yep. Keep going down the hole. Yeah, not gonna be pretty at all, guys. This stuff is miserable to work with. This is why they don't fish it under a floor like this. It's miserable. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I can already feel it fighting me. We're gonna have to change this game plan up just a scotch. We gotta pull it through. So I will use this wire probably I used before. What a pain. So you wanna own a laundromat. Whatever you do, don't bury garbage in these damn trenches. Look at this, light bulbs, parts of metal. I got wall tile. This is just stupid. I'm going to show you what this drain looks like here. We put a new floor drain in, and the floor's poured. We didn't pour here because we have to disconnect that pipe and we have to hook it up to there. There's a conduit down in there, you can see. It has to go over to that one. And then that old pipe that runs down into the floor is going to pop up here as a clean out. Here's these blue pipes and black pipes, and there's the conduit. Now this is a drain, basically a drain trough. What's going to happen is that one island drains into here. That's the drain line. There'll be a screen over that. And it's just concrete all around, and along these sides will be, well, not that side, but along this side, you'll have an 18-inch wide island right here that'll just go over the top of this.